Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Welcome to the world of Nutrela, a truly amazing plant-based protein source. These soy chunks are incredibly versatile and can be transformed into so many delicious dishes. Think of them as tiny sponges, ready to soak up all the flavors you throw at them. But first, we need to prepare them correctly to ensure they have the perfect texture. This simple step makes all the difference in your cooking journey. The secret to great Nutrela starts with a good soak. Simply place your soy chunks in a bowl and cover them with hot, not boiling, water. Let them sit for about 10 to 15 minutes until they've plumped up nicely. Once rehydrated, the most important part is to squeeze out all that excess water. This step ensures your Nutrela won't be soggy, allowing it to absorb flavors much better. After squeezing, it's time to build a delicious foundation for your Nutrela. Heat a little oil in a pan, then add your rehydrated and squeezed soy chunks. Lightly sauté them for a few minutes until they turn a slightly golden brown. This step is a game changer. It gives your Nutrela a fantastic, firm texture, preventing it from getting mushy later in your curry or stir-fry. It really makes a difference. Now for the exciting part, infusing your Nutrela with incredible flavor. Once your sautéed soy chunks are ready, you can add them to your chosen gravy or stir-fry. Begin by sautéing onions, ginger, and garlic in a separate pan, then introduce your spices. Think cumin, coriander, turmeric, and a touch of chili for warmth. Nutrela truly shines when it's allowed to simmer and soak up all these wonderful aromatic notes. So what can you make with your perfectly cooked Nutrela? The possibilities are truly endless. It's fantastic in a hearty curry, excellent in a spicy stir-fry with vegetables, or even minced for vegan keema or cutlets. Beyond its versatility, Nutrela is packed with protein and fiber, making it a healthy choice for any meal. Don't be afraid to get creative and explore new recipes. Enjoy cooking with Nutrela.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.